Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing like a little thrift haul. So if you watched my video where I like totally cleaned out my closet, it's like halfway empty now. So I have a little list of all of the things that I'm trying to find at the thrift store today, including like an oversized cardigan, a brown like vegan leather skirt, and also a white turtleneck. And then also I just like to look for any kinds of coats, and like skirts are usually what I look for when I go thrift shopping. So I have never been to this one before. I am up in like Richardson, that's just north of Dallas. So I'm at Thrift City and we're gonna go check it out. Oh my god, look at this jacket. It's incredible. Is it totally tacky or is it like totally necessary for me to buy? I'm trying to decide. I really like this vest, but it's a size large, and I was thinking about even getting it then, but if you look at it, there's like a stain right there. Okay, this is a men's, but look how cool it is. This one too, I'm literally obsessed. Look at this fur inside this one. Oh my god. Thank you. Like I said, I've never been to this thrift store before, and it was kind of a bust, except for in the coats department. One thing that I forgot to look at was like men's slacks, because my legs are so long that I never really look at women's. But have you seen those styles on like Instagram and Pinterest where women are wearing kind of like men's slacks? I know I've posted styles like that on my Instagram before, and I think it looks really cool. Like, it looks good, especially on me since my legs are really long and I don't have like a big butt. Like, I don't need to show any shape in the back. I ended up spending about $60 since I bought 3 coats. So I ended up leaving because I felt like that was enough. But I will be coming back in a few days, not to this store, but I'm gonna go try and check out a couple more thrift stores.
really like this top, but I'm not sure I want to buy it because it has, you know, just like the fabric. But that happens over time. So is it worth it when you're thrifting just to go for it? Let me know down below in the comments. See, I love these kinds of sweaters, but of course they're in red and purple, which are not like the colors I'm going for. What about something like this? Or do I need a bigger size? It's only a large. I need something that's gonna be like nice and big and cozy, but I love this color. I'm trying to pull together outfits that are really going to like encompass the energy of like what I'm trying to do here in the coming new year, but I haven't found anything that I can put all together yet, which I think that's one of the things about thrift shopping is that it's really great for finding unique pieces, but you do kind of have to go to the mall or like, you know, Target or something to get a lot of the basics and some of the trends that you want to keep up with. I don't think that you should keep up with every single trend, but I don't think that it's a bad thing if you like something that's trendy either. All right, day 3. Don't mind my room. It's a mess and I don't have any makeup on. My hair's wet. I just took a shower and I'm about to go get a spray tan, but I kind of wanted to talk about all of the items that I got while I was thrift shopping. Starting with Thrift City in Richardson, I spent $60.02. And this is where I bought like a lot of coats. So I kind of ended it early because I was like, oh, that's a lot. Just for like one stop at the thrift store. But I am like rebuilding my entire wardrobe, so I am spending a little bit more money than I normally would. So first I got this like light spring green kind of like rain jacket. It's just, I like this color of green, and I just think that coats are a great way to layer any outfit. I'm not gonna put them on because I still have to wash them, but like, it's simple, but I love this color. And I think that it's great for the weather here in Texas because I've noticed that I have a couple of winter coats and it's just, they're too heavy for it being 80 degrees and raining all week. And that one cost $14.99. Then I got this coat, which is also just like a big kind of almost green brown color. And like I said, I'm just trying to rebuild my closet and like I'm going for these specific colors. So that is why I wanted to get some of these bigger coats that will replace the black and red coats that I have had from the past. And this one was $19.99. This one I absolutely adore because if you know me, you know that I am a slut for trench coats. So I'm gonna try it on for you anyway to look at it because it is fabulous. Look at this fur. And it was originally $24.99, but I actually got it on sale for half off, so it was only $12.50. And then I also picked up some of these really basic pieces. They're just some like white turtleneck sweaters that were $3.99 each. Like I said, I'm rebuilding my entire wardrobe, so I just need like the basics. I was looking at things that I had in other colors that I wanted in this color palette from what's in this pile right here. Make sure you check out the video where I did a giant closet clean out. I still need to fold them and just like put them in storage, but here we are. I wanted to get my laundry done before I put it all away because I know that there is some like black and red stuff in my laundry too, so it's gonna have to go in there. But if you follow me on Instagram, you know I have a black turtleneck sweater that I love wearing underneath things. So I just wanted to get a couple of these like cream colored sweaters. So here's the other one that I got. The problem that I have a lot with turtlenecks is that the sleeves are too short. So I usually get them like a size bigger than what I need them. So this is a medium. I think they're both mediums. And then I went to Goodwill in Fort Worth and I spent $45.49. So let's check out what I got. Okay, so first I got this pink top, which is a little like fancier, kind of like business casual almost. But yeah, like I said, I'm going for some more pink styles in this color palette. This actually smells really good, so props to whoever owned this before. And this cost $4.49. I found this, which it goes with my color palette. I know that it's not something that I would wear like all the time, but I thought it would be super cute to wear like over a solid colored bikini, like in the summer or something. And obviously it was at a thrift store, so like I needed to buy it if I wanted it in that moment, and I just like loved the pattern and the colors and everything, so I bought it. And this cost
$4.49 as well. Going right along with our brightly colored outfits, I got this, which my mom used to wear these like sleeveless collared shirts when I was little, and I thought that they were so nerdy back then, but now like I kind of think that they're sexy, like if worn the correct way. Like this one is Ralph Lauren, I believe. Yeah, it's literally Ralph Lauren. It's an extra small and it like zips in the front, so I feel like with a push-up bra with this like halfway zipped, it would be really sexy. Plus it like is the colors that I'm kind of going for, and that green, it's a little bit brighter than most of my clothes, but I felt like it would be nice and like upbeat for like athletic, maybe summertime activities. I don't know. It just like made me think of myself as Meredith Blake. Like I wanted to get like a navy blue tennis skirt if I could find one. How hot would that be? Or I have a white one. Ooh, and there's white on the, ooh. And this was $4.49. I have so many ideas for summer, but ooh, it's not even January yet. It's January when I'm posting this, but it's not January when I'm filming it. So my wardrobe is much more summery than anything, which I think is why I have problems putting together outfits in the winter. And I'm working on it, but like, it's just not my time of the year. Like I said, summer basics. I just got this white like tank top. I used to have a black shirt that was like this that I really liked to wear, and I just obviously can't anymore. This is what I'm saying. All of my clothes are like black. I'm probably going to have to wear like a bralette under this, so maybe I should buy one of those, like a white one. Basically, they're all $4.49 is what I'm getting at this point. Oh, we've got a $2.29. And then I just got this simple green tank top. I wanted some like casual things that I could wear just to like film videos like this. So I just got this green, it's kind of silky tank top. I have a navy blue one just like this, so I wanted to grab it because you know how much I love like an olive green. It looks really nice with my skin tone, especially during the winter. Like I go more for like pinks in the summer, but green is more of my winter color, I would say. Speaking of green, cozy things, I got this, which again, it's not like the nicest thing or whatever, but it is going to be good to wear when I am filming because it's just like soft and cozy and casual. And another $4.49. Another green top that I went for. Like I said, green is more my winter color, so this is what I was kind of grabbing. And I also feel like pink isn't as readily available at thrift stores, but if you have seen a lot of times, if I'm like going out casually, I have like a blue denim like shirt that I'll just wear out over things that just like need something thrown over, or I'll wear a flannel. So that's kind of the idea I had with this here. It's just like this nice material. It kind of reminds me of like a painter's smock, but it's green, and I thought that it would be nice just to like throw over stuff. And that cost $4.49. And then I got this shirt. It has a little bit of black, but it's mostly kind of like tan and cream. And I also got a skirt that kind of matches with it. So that is why I got this. I probably wouldn't have, but I got that skirt, so I thought that they would match together and that would look really cute. Oh no! I just realized this has a giant hole in the back. Like somebody literally cut a hole in it. $4.49 in the trash. Well, $4.79, here is the skirt that I had gotten to match with it. I don't know how much I love this material, but it says it's dry clean only, so I'm thinking that it's pretty nice. Like, I thought it's just a weird material. Like, it's almost a mixture of like khaki and spandex. I don't know. It's 99% cotton, 1% spandex for elasticity. But it's just, I don't know, it's from the Limited, if you look at this. And I was even kind of wondering if that could be vintage, the Limited. And speaking of vintage, this one, I didn't know if I should get it, but then I realized that it was vintage, so I wanted to because I love this pattern. I literally have a pair of shorts that are just like this. Literally, do you see these? They're not exactly the same, but they're pretty close. And these are from Michael Kors. And these, I looked up the brand, and they're from Canard, because it's just like a skirt. But I do really love this pattern. I love the colors. And I looked it up, and this brand, their business shut down in 1998. So that means that it has to be vintage. And it costs $7.99. Well, that was it for this shopping trip. Let me know down below in the comments if you like these thrifting videos. I'm gonna kind of try and do some fashion videos just to like let you know where I am rebuilding my wardrobe, since that is one of my goals for this year. So if you're excited for that, make sure you hit the red subscribe button down below and the gray notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload new videos, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one.